In the deserts of Mesopotamia, over 4,000 years ago, a machine quietly reshaped the world. Not a sword, not a chariot, but a simple wheel, spinning grain into food and food into power. How could something so small control the fate of entire empires? Farmers called it a miracle. Kings called it indispensable. And yet, almost no one remembers it today. This is the story of the ancient millstone, the first engine of civilization. Life began with grain, barley, wheat, emmer, hard, heavy, stubborn. Crushed by hand, it took hours, sometimes days, to feed a single family. Mortar and pestle were all they had. But necessity drives invention. And so, the first grinding wheels were born. Archaeologists uncovered circular stones, worn grooves carved by countless hands. At first glance, ordinary. But these stones held the secret to feeding thousands, sustaining armies, building empires. Everyday life changed. Slowly, then suddenly. Imagine a small village, its river swelling after winter rains. Someone sets a wheel into the current, and for the first time, grain turns into flour faster than any human could manage. Families eat, soldiers march, the city prospers. But power comes with danger. Floods could destroy the wheels in hours. Stones wore down, demanding skilled hands to repair them. And control of these mills became control of life itself. One Babylonian king once declared a tax on every sack of grain. In Rome, emperors standardized wheels across the empire. Whoever fed the people held the true power. Even as empires fell, the machines endured. Water wheels spread across Europe, hand mills in villages, industrial mills in cities. The principle remained simple. Controlling grain meant controlling survival. Think about it. Modern factories, engines, computers, all marvels of automation. But the spark, the first mechanized society, began with stone, river, and human ingenuity. Every empire, every conquest, every thriving city traces back to these ancient wheels. And today, every loaf of bread, every meal, owes a debt to those stones spinning endlessly centuries ago. Some machines don't just change lives, they change history. And sometimes, the smallest inventions leave the biggest marks.